Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to continue passive voice. Yesterday I taught you that how to make passive voice of present indefinite. So today as well I will be teaching you that how to make passive of present continuous. So please get connected and I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So here comes passive voice. Present continuous. Present continuous. So at first here comes passive helping verb. Is am or is am plus being. So my dear students, when we people are going to make passive voice of present continuous, so we have got to remember the helping verbs. It is, am, are plus being. Whether it is being, am being or are being. So this is something that we have got to know. We have got to remember. Alright, now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. So here I take some examples to make you understand. First example, he is writing. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Passive voice. A letter. A letter is being written by him. So my dear students, at first here comes he is writing a letter. He एक पत्र लिख रहा है. Now passive. A letter is being written by him. देखिए जो बेटा लेटर है ये हमारा क्या है, ये सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट है. सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑलराइट. And as far as helping verb is concerned, that has got to come according to object. अब क्योंकि जो ऑब्जेक्ट है हमारा सिंगुलर है, राइट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट वी कैरी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, राइट. सो यहाँ पर इज आ गया. बीइंग, राइट. बीइंग इज वेरी, इट इज़ वेरी मच नेसेसरी टू यूज बीइंग हियर, क्योंकि जब हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस का पैसिव बनाते हैं, ऑलराइट, तो हमें बीइंग, इट इज़ वेरी मच मैंडेटरी टू यूज बीइंग while making passive of present continuous. Alright, so a letter is being written. Written third form. Write, wrote, written. Alright, by him. एक पत्र लिखा जा रहा है उसके द्वारा. I hope you understand it. Now, let us take another example. They are helping me. They are helping me. Passive voice. I am being. I am being helped by them. So please look at the board, my dear students. Here I have taken a active sentence. They are helping me. वे मेरी मदद कर रहे हैं. Passive voice. I am being helped. देखिए सबसे पहले ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, राइट? अब ऑब्जेक्ट जब सब्जेक्ट बन के आएगा शुरू में, तो मी के लिए सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? आई होता है, सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म. और आई के साथ हमेशा एम यूज करते हैं. एंड बीइंग हैज गॉट टू बी यूज्ड हियर एज इट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. आई एम बीइंग हेल्प्ड बाय देम. मेरी मदद की जा रही है उनके द्वारा. ऑलराइट, आई होप यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. Now here take negative sentence. She is not inviting them. She is not inviting them. She is not inviting them. It is a negative sentence, right? It is a negative sentence. Now passive voice. They are not being invited. They are not being invited by her. So my dear students, please have a look. देखिए, she is not inviting them. She उन्हें invite नहीं कर रही है. पैसिव वॉइस में क्या बना? अब they हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है और them हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है और them के लिए सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? they होता है, राइट? और अकॉर्डिंग टू दे हमने आर यूज किया. दे आर नॉट बीइंग इनवाइटेड बाय हर. उनको इनवाइट नहीं किया जा रहा है. उनको इनवाइट नहीं किया जा रहा है शी के द्वारा, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस नंबर 4. हियर कम्स फर्स्ट टाइप इंटरोगेटिव. हियर कम्स फर्स्ट टाइप इंटरोगेटिव. सो नाउ लेट्स टेक. Are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Now passive voice. Here I have got to remind something. मुझे यहाँ थोड़ा सा आपको याद दिलाना है बेटा. When active sentence is an interrogative sentence, then obviously passive also has got to be made. Passive को भी हमें किस में बनाना है? Interrogative में बनाना है. Fine. So are you doing your homework? हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है your homework. और ये सिंगुलर है, right? So is your homework. Passive voice. Is your homework. Is your homework being done? Is your homework being done by you? So my dear students, please just have a look here. यहाँ देख लीजिए अब as our active sentence is an interrogative, क्योंकि active sentence हमारा एक interrogative है, first type interrogative. So हमारा passive भी किसमें बदलना है? That also has got to be in interrogative sense. So अब योर होमवर्क हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा। तो अब ये सिंगुलर है तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, इज यूज़ करेंगे। इज योर होमवर्क, क्या तुम्हारा होमवर्क बीइंग डन किया जा रहा है तुम्हारे द्वारा, बाय। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट। लेट अस मूव, आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा। Here I take second type interrogative. Why are you attending that party? Why are you attending that party? All right. So ये हमारा second type interrogative, question word, right? When our active sentence is second type interrogative, so remember our passive also has got to be made into second type interrogative. All right. अब हमारा that party ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है और ये सिंगुलर है, it is singular, right? So passive voice, why is that party? Why is that party? Why is that party being attended? Why is that party being attended? Being attended by you. So, my dear students, please have a look once again. एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए, right? Why are you attending that party? आप उस पार्टी को अटेंड क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये हमारा second type interrogative है. So remember, our passive also has got to be made into second type interrogative. That is why I have used why here, right? सबसे पहले मैंने why यूज किया. Why is that party? कि क्यों उस पार्टी को being attended, अटेंड किया जा रहा है by you, तुम्हारे द्वारा. I hope you understand it. So my dear students, this is something that I have made you understand. Passive or present continuous. I hope you must have understood. So that's enough for the day. Thank you very much.